Welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living and the first episode of my laundry chats. Today we're going to be talking about why the upcoming minimum wage increase is not a pay rise. Oh, but it is, I might hear some of you cry, but it really isn't, and I'm going to tell you why. So the minimum wage is going from $11.44 to $12.21. I think that's for the over 21s. This will affect me as I am just above minimum wage now, so I will be getting the increase. So this is not a pay increase. I think it's an inadequate cost of living adjustment. Minimum wage now and the upcoming rise does not reflect inflation. And with the cost of everything going up, council tax, your energy bill, water bills, food, it's an inadequate cost of living adjustment. So another issue is the people that are on a salaried rate or on a higher wage per hour, but they're not getting any type of increase, yet the cost of living is still affecting them. They are technically having a pay decrease. I've also heard somebody say that when the minimum wage increase comes into effect, that they're actually going to lose hours. They work for a small business and that business just cannot cope with the extra wage increase. So effectively, they are going to be losing money and the minimum wage increase is detrimental to them. I also saw something, I tried to find the link for it but I couldn't, where somebody was talking about this very topic and they said, what do you think is going to happen when the companies who are paying more in wages are going to up the cost of their product, their service, so in the end it's just costing us more. So again, it's not a pay rise. We're all going to be stung in one way or another. And the real issue that needs addressing, the real issue that should be being addressed, more than minimum wage increase, is to lower the cost of living. I know, everyone says, oh, that's easier said than done. And yes, even a little minimum wage increase is better than nothing. But the solution is to tax the super wealthy. I'm sorry, but that is the solution. You need to bring the wealth back into the middle classes and the working classes. The economy is going to collapse. I would like to hear your thoughts on this topic. Are you on minimum wage now? Are you being affected by this minimum wage increase? Are you being affected positively, negatively? Let me know in the comments because I'm always interested to hear what other people's opinions are and what their circumstances are. I hope you like these laundry chats going forward. I think it's important to discuss these sort of topics rather than just sharing tips and strategies for saving money. We kind of need to address and understand the reason why so many people now have to turn to frugality out of necessity and not just a lifestyle choice. And it also lets you into my perspective and my opinions a little bit and to understand my circumstances. We're a low income family. We are affected by the national minimum wage increase and we will struggle with the cost of living increasing again. We've already got our council tax bill through for the next year and yep, it's gone up. Our electricity is going to go up. I've already had an email about that. I'm already noticing the food increases week on week. We are currently in the process of saving up to buy a new to us car. And just the idea of the insurance is scary at the moment, but we are in a position where we actually do need to have a car now. And while we didn't need a car, we didn't have one, basically. So these chats, I hope, will connect us a little bit more and show us that we all have a little bit more in common than we think. And that I'm in the same boat as everybody else. And I hope that my tips and tricks do help everyone with the coming cost of living increase. So stay tuned for next week. So I think I'm going to be talking about the rental market because that's a big issue for me as a renter. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.